Hi guys, it's Sarah from Crafty Gamer Ones, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make granola. So, let's get started. To start, preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Turn on your exhaust and set a timer for 15 minutes. Now measure out 6 cups of oats into a large bowl. Then add 1 cup of oil to the mix. Then, using the same measuring cup, add 3/4 cups of honey. Using the same one as the oil will make the honey not stick as much to the measuring cup. Again, using the same measuring cup, measure out 3/4 cups of maple syrup as well. You can switch out the amounts for each of these. It doesn't really matter how much honey or maple syrup you want to add, as long as it adds up to 1.5 cups altogether. Next, I'm using this fancy spoon that sits up on the table so that it doesn't touch the table. It doesn't matter what spoon you use. It's just a cool spoon that I'm using. Then you're just gonna mix everything together until it's well combined. Now I have a cookie sheet that I'm gonna spray with some cooking oil. And then I'm going to dump my granola onto that and spread it all around until it's even. Now put the granola in the oven. And start your timer. After the 15 minutes is up, take out your granola from the oven. And now we're gonna mix it around in the pan so that all of the granola is cooked evenly. And then we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. You're gonna keep doing this, taking it out, stirring it, and putting it back in for another 15 minutes for about an hour or until you think it's done. Once it's done, tip it onto another baking sheet. This one is not hot. I don't know why I'm using an oven mitt for it if it's not hot, but this will make it not stick to the pan while it cools. And now you're done. Enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Let me know what you would put in your granola if you made it for yourself, because you could put nuts, dried fruit, more nuts, I don't know. Just let me know what you would put in it. Yeah, but anyway, bye!